Hi guys, and welcome to Tekara Presents. If it is your first time here, welcome, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Listen, this one's going to be quick and easy. We're going to make an ultimate BLT. You want to see how we make it? Just stick around. Alright, so here are the ingredients we are going to need. We have some brioche buns, black pepper, sweet and hot salad peppers, mayonnaise, our bacon of course, lettuce, and tomato. Alright, so first we're going to prep our veggies. We're going to get our tomato rinsed off, and we're going to slice that up into some nice thick pieces. If you don't like tomatoes that thick, cut them to your preference. And then we're going to get a couple of pieces of that lettuce. It's romaine lettuce. Rinse that off and pat it dry. And we're going to go ahead and head over to the stove. Get you a nice hot pan and spray it with some vegetable oil. Get your bacon nice and crispy. Then we're going to remove our bacon from the pan. We're going to put some butter on those brioche buns. And we're going to go ahead and toast those buns right in that same pan. Slap up all of that oil from the bacon, that bacon grease, and your bread is going to be nice and toasty. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to build our sandwich. So take some mayo, and we're going to put some mayo on each side of the bun. And then we are going to actually put black pepper. This is what makes it ultimate. We're going to crack some freshly ground black pepper on each side of those buns, top and bottom, right on the mayo. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in some lettuce. Add our lettuce, romaine lettuce. You can use iceberg if you like, or whatever kind of lettuce you prefer. Put a piece on the top, piece on the bottom. Then we're going to go ahead and crisscross our bacon. Add as much or as little as you like. I think I used about 6 strips. Go ahead and put our tomato slices on. And then I'm going to hit it again with some cracked black pepper. And then I'm going to go ahead and get me a couple of those salad peppers. It takes it to another level for me. If you don't want to add the peppers, don't. But you know, some people, I did a poll and some people like to add cheese. Be my guest with the cheese. But go ahead and put your sandwich together. And there it is. The ultimate, most delicious, easiest BLT you have ever had. Alright guys, and that's it. Cut that baby open and look at that, nice, and it's just so pretty and it tastes so good. Serve it up with some chips, serve it up with a pickle on the side, and have at it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. If you make this sandwich, let me know how it turned out for you. You like the pepper, you don't like the pepper. Either way, let your girl know. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all again next time. Take care.